Hi everyone. Today's video isn't about fixing watches, but more of home maintenance in the way of making sure your ducted air conditioner operates at its best. I'll show you how to clean the filter with just water and dishwashing soap. It's not that hard, so let's dive in. First of all, just make sure your air conditioner has been turned off. Once that's off, grab your ladder and just unscrew the filter, the grill. It's straightforward, just loosening it. And just let it unhinge itself. The filter slides in along the grill, so just ensure that it doesn't fall out. Just hold it with your other hand, with your free hand. And just pop it up, the hinge, and turn it a bit sideways, and you can take it down. And we'll do the other one. Now, I haven't been cleaning my air filter regularly for 3 years now, so I expect to see a huge amount of gunk in the air filter. It's probably blocked. That's not good practice, so yeah, don't wait till 3 years just to clean your filter. Okay, now it's time to wash the filter. So I'll be doing this outside, and with just a hose and a bottle of mild detergent, a mild dish detergent. I've diluted that one. The sun's out, so that's good. I can let it dry once I'm finished. So just slide out the air filter. And ensure you'll be cleaning the dirty side, not the, the air conditioning side. And as you can see, that's a huge amount of dirt. I'll just quickly show you. If I hold the filter against the sun, you can hardly see it. I know there's that little bright light, but you can see how dirty the filter is. 3 years worth. Okay, so we'll moisten the filter first. That way it'll be good, all saturated with water. And once that's done, let's spray it with the mild detergent. Just ensure you saturate it. And once that's done, next step is to step on the filter just to get that dirt loose, and the soap to do its own thing. It's going to foam up, and when we're finished, we can spray it, and we'll spray it from behind, so that way we can push out the dirt. So I'll just set it to jet stream. Okay, I'll fast forward the film, or the video, I should say. The general idea is you spray it from behind, so that way you can loosen and water, flush out the dirt. And you can already see it on the floor, how dirty it is. Okay, let's ensure we'll have a clean surface to work with. So I'll wash off the dirt. Now this filter, there's still some little bits of dirt left, so I'll just give it a light scrub. Don't scrub it too hard, otherwise you'll ruin the media, the air filter itself, so it is very delicate. So just a light scrub, and that should be fine. Just drain it and put it aside. And next one will be the grill. Again, we'll moisten it, and after that we'll spray it with soapy water. Okay, and let's just set it aside. And time for the other one. Again, pretty much the same thing. Take the filter out. Yep, and lay it flat on the floor. Dirt side up, of course. Yeah, we'll wet it first. Yep, that's right. So you want to get it wet. And then hit it with the soap. And once you've given it a good spray of soapy water, that's when time to step on it. Just agitate that media. And next, just spray it from the back. Get rid of that dirt. Now this one's not as dirty as the other one. I mean, you can see from the back there's some dirt coming out, but not as much as the other one. you just drain it. And just put it out of the way. In time for the grill. So same thing, just wet it, close it down, and then we'll hit it with the soap. And just make sure you get a good scrub. Get in there, get in the nooks and crannies. Okay, time to put it away. Sorry, excuse me. And we'll let it dry. So I've put it against the wall over there, under the sun, so we'll leave it there for a few minutes to dry. And here we go. This is the after. That's definitely a cleaner one compared to the previous dirty dirty filter. And if you hold it against the sun, you can definitely see it, and also can see the fabric itself. It's evenly clean. Now let's go back inside, and time to reassemble the air filter. Just ensure the hole on the grill is aligned with the hole on the air filter itself. Just slide it along the groove and ensure the hole is aligned. Otherwise you won't be able to screw it. And do the same thing on the other one. Just slide it along the groove and ensuring the hole's aligned. Okay, and let's put the air filter back in, and when you do, just tilt it at an angle so it couldn't slide in, and let the screws on the grill just slide down the slot, and once that's done, just hinge it back up and close with a screw. Easy peasy. And the other one as well. There's really nothing much to it. You can do this on a Saturday or on a Sunday, just over the weekend. It's not that time consuming. Like I said, I haven't been cleaning mine for 3 years. My air conditioning brand, the manual, it says to regularly clean it every 3 to 6 months and replace it in a third year. I haven't been doing that. Just check your operator's manual and see what the recommended cycle is. I guess the best practice would be every 3 to 6 months, and then every 3 years you replace the fabric on the air filter. The air filter fabric can be bought at Bunnings or at Home Depot, depending where you're at, but it can be easily replaced. But that's pretty much it. Now it's time to turn on the air conditioning and see the fruits of our labor. 30 degrees inside the house. That's 86 Fahrenheit for our American friends. That's a bit warm. So hopefully the air conditioner will kick in and cool down the place. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. If you find this useful, please give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button. It helps build up my little channel. So thank you.